Hi friends, this is Sharma here, and this is about the GAN bullish and GAN bearish levels and Fibonacci levels, and about my sheet. So you can use my sheet as well as the levels in Nifty, and it's very comfortable to use this. And these two lines will change your trading style. For example, today you can see there is an indicator called GAN and Fibonacci, and this is our GAN bullish line where you can see a green candle, and we have this as our GAN bullish above. If at all if there is a green candle closing above that, we can consider that as bullish. But most of the time means out of so now you can see here, this sheet has got 24,492 is the GAN bullish above. Just go over here and check. Okay, 24,492. Just I'm 24,492 is 92 is our GAN bullish. So there is no green candle crossing above that. Wait for, you can change it to 3 minutes or even 15 minutes higher time frame also. Once it is no once after 3 5 minutes candle, that is 15 minutes candle, you can see that there are no green candles above that. That is a clear confirmation that market would go down. So after that, it has come down to the GAN support level, and this is our Fibonacci. So how could we know this Fibonacci level? The sheet has got everything in it. This Fibonacci reversal levels are there, GAN bullish and GAN bullish, GAN reversal there. So everything is given over here. And now when you come over here, you can see there is an alert system for Fibonacci Nifty signal. See, bullish reversal is 24,307. So let me show you the telegram also. Once let me show you the telegram. This is the telegram, and you can see that 24 262.39. This is around 11:17. We got the alert saying that market would go bullish from 24 262. Okay, okay. Let me delete this and show you that 24 262, and I'm drawing to one line 24 to 62, and this is our point exactly from almost nearer to that. It went up to that, came down, and from here market has taken a bullish reversal. So using these two lines with GAN and Fibonacci, and GAN and Fibonacci indicators are also there. These are automatically plotted on the chart. Whichever strike, Nifty, maybe Bank Nifty, or maybe gold, or maybe crude, whatever you want to trade, you can use this indicator. So this for Nifty, I'm talking about Nifty today in this video. So let us not get deviated. So this is our Fibonacci level. So I'm just writing it for your convenience. Fib bull reversal. So this is Fibonacci bull reversal time. So exactly from there, market went bullish. It happens every day. You can go and check back and my videos. If at all, if you want to see this in live, you can contact me at my number 949-234-0656. We can get connected through Google Meet, and I'll show you how these lines can be used in trading. So I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, and this is not a buy sell recommendation. This is only to find the Nifty and Nifty trend change alerts. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please click the like button and share with your friends, and join my YouTube channel and subscribe it. Also join my WhatsApp group. To join my WhatsApp group, you can contact me at my number 949-234-0656. I'm giving it on screen. So this is 949-234-0656 is my number. You can directly call me or WhatsApp. Thank you. Good night.